As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, Pakistan does not have a specific Amazon marketplace. However, if you're looking to start a business involving international sales, here's a brief outline. 1. Market research, identify in-demand products globally. 2. Legal structure, register your business legally. 3. Bank account, open a business account. 4. Taxation, understand tax implications, especially for international transactions. 5. Source products, find reliable suppliers. 6. Create Amazon seller account, sign up on a supported marketplace. 7. List products, create detailed listings. 8. Fulfillment, decide between FBM or FBA. 9. Set pricing, consider costs, competition, and desired margins. 10. Shipping, plan logistics for order fulfillment. 11. Marketing, develop a strategy for promotion. 12. Customer service, provide excellent support. 13. Monitor and optimize, continuously improve based on feedback. Consult local experts for any updates or changes in regulations. Note that the situation may have evolved after September 2021.